ni Bingkol? Unsa sa tinod pangalan ni Bingkol para makagawas?
Gawas?
Unsay pangalan ni Bingkol? Unsay pangalan ni Bingkol? Unsa sa pangalan ni Bingkol? Basig kag cellphone ay. Dili ka makagawas, wala nimo gitubag imong tinuod nga pangalan.
Tuk-tuk.
Oh, unsay imong pangalan?
Tuk-tuk.
Unsay tuktok?
Tuk-tuk mo sisi.
Sige, Mama Shishi, tuktok. Ah, wala man gud. Wala man gud na nuktok si Mama Shishi. Unsa sa imong pangalan? Okay, what's your name? Ha? What's your name? Dili ka makagawas.
Gawas.
Oh, unsa imong pangalan?
Gawas.
What's your name?
Gawas.
Wala, dili makagawas.
Gawas.
Unsa sa imong pangalan gani? What's your name? Sige, how old are you? How old are you na?
Gawas.
How old are you today? How old are you today? 3 years old.
Oh.
Sida, how old are you, Bingkol? How old are you?
3 years old.
Wow, very good. Kana sa imong birthday?
Me.
Ano sa me?
Si Mama.
Today is your
Mama.
birthday.
Gawas ko be?
Huh?
Gawas.
Dili, Jude.
Gawas.
Sige, what is your name? What is your name?
Gawas.
What is your name sa dayon? How old are you? Then aya din ta mong gawas. Sige. What is your name?
3 years old.
Jaden Ace Idubas. Ikaw, sige. What is your name?
Jaden is Idubas.
How old are you?
3 years old.
Wow, very good. Clap your hands, Clap your hands. Yay! Kinsay makagawas?